everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome! So how was your weekend? What did you do for Easter? We went to hubby's sister's for a wonderful, wonderful Easter dinner yesterday, which was Sunday. And I wore my mask, except when I was eating. So yeah, it was a good time. Had a really great time. She's an amazing cook. And her, there was a few people there, and it was really, really nice, really nice. Thank you for the wonderful meal, Jen. Okay, so I don't know, are you watching? But anyway, so I went to Michael's on Saturday. I had seen a few videos of people doing yarn hauls of Caron cakes that were on clearance. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna check my Michael's. You know, they haven't, every time a new Caron cake came out over the winter, my Michael's either didn't have them or only had a couple of colors. So I took a chance, went there Saturday, and oh my goodness, their trucks came in with stock. Yeah. And they were on clearance. Oh my goodness, my goodness. Oh, thank you to all those who did your yarn hauls of your Caron cakes you got on clearance. Thank you so much. So, yeah. So I got one of these Caron crystal cakes before, and I showed it on my channel. It had purpley colors, and look at this. And they have these silver streamer type things, I guess you call them, colors throughout, and they're so very pretty. And yeah, they're not like, they're sort of soft, but not the softest. The softest Caron cake I've ever felt is a cloud cake. Amazing. Okay, so let's see here. This one is a medium 4 weight. 64% acrylic, 24% polyester, 7% nylon, 5% metallic, 240 grams, 634 yards. I mean, Caron does amazing with their yardage. Fabulous. Okay, this is called Lush Living Collection. I didn't see that before. This colorway is peacock. Yeah, so it's like green, tealy green, maybe a darker tealy green. It's really, really pretty. Absolutely love it. So yeah, so I got, this is the only, let's see, this is the only crystal cake I got on Saturday. So they have funnel cakes, cotton funnel cakes. Oh, you guys. All right, so cotton funnel cakes. And these are, of course, these are all limited time only, they say. I think, well, these two for sure. All right, so let me see here. These are medium 4, 100% cotton. Look at those colors in there. I mean, pink, pink, pink. And then there's a bit of a, looks like grayish. Different shades of pink and a gray. 250 grams, 425 yards. This is called Spring Essentials Collection. Very cool. And Rose Petal is the colorway. And I got 2 of these. Yes, I got 2. So 425 yards in each one. Am I forgetting to tell you something on here? Just feel like I am. If I did, I'll write it on the screen. And I also got the cotton funnel cakes in the colorway Waterfall. Look at those different shades of blue. I got 2 of them. Oh. And these actually, well, I don't know. Softish. Softish. All right, so next bag. This one is Caron Cloud Cakes. Caron Cloud Cakes. I actually made a cardigan. I have the tutorial on my channel in the playlist, and I'll link that tutorial below, but I had made a cardigan out of the cloud cakes. I mean, these are the softest cakes ever. And I had made it short sleeve, and it was shorter on the bottom, but the original tutorial was long sleeves, and the body's made in one piece. So I'll be sure to link that in case you haven't seen it and you'd like to make it. I mean, you can make it out of any yarn. You know, I could use this yarn to make one if I wanted. The funnel cakes. Okay, so here is the Caron Cloud Cake. Medium 4, 100% polyester, 240 grams, 760 yards. This is a Lush Living Collection. Colorway is Shark Skin. And it's grays and blacks. I love grays and blacks. I love my blues. I love my purples. I usually go for darker pinks. But yeah. I think I said everything, but yeah. Oh. So soft. Right here, cloud cakes. Okay, two more. And they're both the same. These are also the cloud cakes. And this color is raspberry. Just want to make sure everything's the same. It's all the same. Raspberry. Oh. And cloud cakes are so squishy. So squishy. So soft. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous yarn. Right there. Caron Cloud Cakes. So I got two. Two of those. And like these, let's see. These did have the price on them. I'm in Canada. $11.99. $11.99, but they were on for $5.99. So that's a good deal here. And what are these? Do they have the price? $14.99 for the funnel cakes. And the funnel cakes were $7.99. Not sure if they were on clearance or they were on sale. I'm not sure. Yeah. And this is also a cloud. And then the crystal cakes are, do they have a price? Crystal cakes are $11.99 $11.99 regular, and they were on for $5.99. So that's a really good deal here, anyway, in Canada. But yeah, so that is everything I got, and I had some more in my basket, but I did not get them. They also had the tea cakes on clearance. What are the other ones they have? They had the big anniversary cakes for $24.99. I mean, those are huge. And I think those are a bulky 6. $24.99 regular, they're $39.99 here in Canada. I did not get one of those, although I had one in my basket, but I put it back. Yeah. There's some other ones they had, I can't remember what they were, but they had wool in them, and I'm okay with wool. I'm not allergic to anything, and I just decided I didn't want anything with wool. So I think the tea cakes have wool in them and something else. But anyway, these were all marked down on clearance. The Caron cotton cakes were not on sale at all. Caron skinny cakes were not on sale at all. And what were the other one? Caron big cakes, I think the other one is. They were not on sale at all either. So yeah, but I got such beautiful yarns. And thank you so much for joining me and for watching. And thank you to all those who are doing the scrap yarn mystery crochet along. It's so fun, and I love seeing your progress pictures in my Facebook group, and you're emailing them to me. I got a couple, I think, in my emails. I'm a little behind on comments and stuff, but yeah. Thank you so much. I'll link that playlist below. You have lots of time to catch up because it ends the end of April, but I'm giving you guys till the end of May to finish your items, and then I'll do a slideshow of your finished objects. I'm excited. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.